Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same vehicle as FIAT Fremont. Two vehicles under two different names, exactly the same car. So, if you guys are trying to find the relays for your radiator fan, okay, for the radiator fan, we'll show you guys where the relays are. Now you have two relays, okay, one is for high speed, one is for low speed, so stay with us and we'll show you where to find them. Even though you have only a single fan, okay, most of them will have just a single radiator fan, you're going to have two relays, as I said, two of them, and one of them will be for low speed, one for high speed. This is your, okay, this is your fuse box. How you remove it, those two things, squish them and pull it up. Now let me guys tell you quick, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can here, so please guys subscribe. Now, you can see these two relays, guys, okay, these two relays are the ones for the radiator fan. The one right here, this is for the low speed, okay, and the one right here, it's for the high speed. Okay, our high speed doesn't work, so I'm going to remove just one of them. Both of them are exactly identical, so you just grab it firmly and pull it up. Okay, I'm going to grab a new replacement one, guys, and you can check out where we'll have the replacement ones, where we bought it from, in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Let me grab it quick. Okay, and all we have to do now, just push it in until it clicks all the way. Do not forget, okay, to install your fuse box lid. Also there is one fuse for the radiator fan as well, so check the fuse if you have a problem. We'll have quite a few videos, guys, explaining overheating and all that stuff, so please check it out. Thank you for watching, see you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.